In the previous video we talked about organizations and users. You may have noticed that I ignored the import buttons in these management areas for the sake of the video length. If this functionality is relevant to you, then this video will help you. The format of Zammad's user and organization import has changed with Zammad 6.4. It is now much easier and straightforward. You may want to consider upgrading to the latest versions if you haven't already. I always tend to recommend to not use the IDs at all, because IDs add complexity in the process. This affects both users and organizations. Adding or updating several users at once is possible by using Zammad CSV import. Note that the LDAP integration may be a much better approach for this kind of thing, especially if you have to do this kind of synchronization on a regular basis. This however depends on your use case and environment of course. Within the import view, Zammad offers you a sample file to download. This file contains all attributes of the user, in case you added your own ones. Usually Zammad uses the email address as a unique identifier. However, the login name works for this as well. Apart from one unique identifier, you can omit all other attributes if not needed. If you are adding a new user, always leave the ID empty. Zammad allows you to override the roles of a user by providing a list of roles for affected users. Several roles can be provided with 3 tiles as a divider. You can import the data either by uploading a fitting CSV file or by inserting the file's content into the text field. When using the import button, Zammad will check the provided data. It will also prompt how many entries will be created and updated. If anything does not add up with the provided data, Zammad will call out those lines. Most errors occur with incorrect column dividing and incorrect encoding. Zammad expects UTF-8 encoding. You can add new or update existing organizations by using Zammad's CSV import. You can download an example file within the management to get an idea of the file's structure. Your custom fields will also be reflected. In general, Zammad expects either the ID or name of an organization if you want to update information of it. If you're going to change the name of the organization, you will have to use the ID. Apart from these 2 columns, you can always omit other fields if you don't need to set them. If you're adding new organizations, omit the ID column and just provide the name. Zammad will automatically create a new entry for you. You can also set the organization members with the import. Zammad looks up member by their email address and will remove all members from the organization in question, if they are not present in the import file. Several members can be provided with 3 tiles as a divider. The membership will always be the primary organization, even if the user is member of a different organization. You can import the data either by uploading a fitting CSV file or by inserting the file's content into the text field. When using the import button, Zammad will check the provided data, or also prompt how many entries will be created and updated. If anything does not add up with the provided data, Zammad will call out these lines. Most errors during this import occur with incorrect column dividing and incorrect encoding. Zammad expects UTF-8 encoding. Now you know how to import users and organizations to Zammad. I hope this video helped you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, take care.